Everyone, welcome back ma. See, in the last class you have completed a experiment that is about. See, in the last experiment you have learned that you might have noticed that if we add excess base to the acidic solution, means if you are having a base is high and acidic solution is less, so in that situation it gets converted into totally a base. Yes or no? Now, and similarly we can change a base into an acid by adding the acid in excess. Means చూడండి నాన్న, ఇప్పుడు యాసిడ్ బేస్ రెండు ఉన్నాయి. యాసిడ్ కంటే బేస్ ఎక్కువగా తీసుకున్నప్పుడు that total solution can be converted into base. And again that acid is there, base is there. If you take excess of high amount of acid, the total solution gets converted into acidic solution. That is about your experiment of 8. Okay, now we'll see if you are adding when acids and bases are mixed in equal, means acids and bases rendu equal ga mix చేసినప్పుడు mixed concentrations they give a neutral solution. We'll learn about more about neutralization in higher classes. Okay, about neutralization means acidic solution and basic solution, if you are adding equal amounts of concentration, then it will be total a neutralization. Okay, total it can become as neutralization, means it can a neutral solution. Clear? Like plus into minus into plus into minus is your minus. Yes or no? That is your neutral solution. One is acidic and one is basic. Totally that will be become as neutral. Okay, like minus 1 and plus 1 become as 0. 0 is nothing but neutral. Like that you are having. See, next, fertile land organic manures. What is mean by fertile land? What are the organic manures which we are using? We'll see now. Okay, in recent years the use of chemical fertilizations has increased. Yes or no? In our agriculture forming a land, and in that nowadays we are using chemical fertilizations. Yes or no? Though the use of chemical fertilizers increase the production of crops, it changes the nature of the soil. Yes or no? By the using of chemical fertilization, what will happen? The production of crops will be increasing and the nature of the soil also changes. Some fertilizers increases the acidity of the soil and some changes its basicity. Okay, some of the fertilizers have increased the acidity of the soil by using chemical fertilization, and some of these changes occurring in a basicity. Yes or no? Yes. Thus use of natural organic manure is become more preferred these days. Okay, means natural organic manure is become a more preferred these days. Why? Because if you are using chemical fertilization, that will become a totally means that is become a totally acidity of the soil, and basicity is also changes. That is how the agriculture total spoils. Okay, if you are using natural manures, then it will be a good to the agriculture. Clear? We'll see how the natural manures are helping. What are that natural manures? See, salts. About salts, we have seen in the process of neutralization both the acidic and the basic qualities are changed. Actually, when an acid and a base are mixed, a chemical reaction takes place and a salt is produced. See, acid and a base are mixed, what will happen? A chemical reaction is occurs. From that chemical reaction, salt is produced. Okay, for example, by neutralizing hydrochloric acid solution with caustic soda. Okay, if you mixing this hydrochloric acid and caustic soda, what it becomes? Sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, it is nothing but a salt, sodium chloride. Okay, it is formed by mixing of hydrochloric acid and caustic soda formation that can react and gives a salt, that is sodium chloride. Salt is nothing but sodium chloride. It is a chemical name of salt. Okay, formation of a salt depends on the type of an acid and a base and the ratio of the mixture. Based on the ratios of the mixture and the mixture and the type of an acid and base, the formation of salt depends. Clear? Next, here remember, all neutral solutions are not salt solutions. Sugar and starches are neutral, but they are not salts. Okay, it is important point ma. Sugar and starches are neutral, but they are not salts. Okay, it is not a it is not a crystal chlorides. Okay, next, see here, let us do 9. Test the following salt substances with red litmus and blue litmus papers. Take red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Record your observations in the table. Salts which changes blue litmus to red are acidic salts, and salts which changes red litmus to blue litmus are basic salts. See, if your litmus paper changes from blue color to red color, that is an acidic salts. Okay, acidic salts. The changes of red litmus to blue litmus, that are nothing but a basic salts. Okay, some salts affect neither blue nor litmus paper, that are neutral salts. Okay, కొన్ని salts ఏంటంటే బ్లూ లిట్మస్ నుంచి రెడ్ లిట్మస్కి చేంజ్ అయినప్పుడు that is a acidic salt, and the color changes from red litmus to blue litmus, that is a basic salt. If the litmus paper doesn't change any color, that is nothing but a neutral salts. Okay, here the some of the substances are given. You have to check whether that litmus paper changes or not. Okay, do this activity. Just take litmus papers of blue litmus paper and litmus paper. Sodium carbonate, copper sulfate, common salt, or the you have to take the substances, or else leave it. Will do in future classes while coming to your schools. Okay, here acids are given. Some of the acids, these are the acids, and these are the bases, and these are the salts. Okay, acids are nothing but, see, preparation of pickles, it is an acidic acid. Preparation of pulihora, it is a citric acid. Okay, means citric acid is present in the lemons. Removal of ink stains, that is oxalic acid. Man-use batteries, that is nothing but sulfuric acid. Medicines, dyes, hydrochloric acid. Explosives from nitric acid. Okay, and here are the some of the bases are also given. Removing from grease stains, that is ammonium hydroxide. Soap contains potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Bleaching powder contains calcium hydroxide. Fire extinguishers contains aluminum hydroxide. And here some of the salts are given. Food preservation is nothing but common salt. Wash clothes, washing soda. Cool drinks, cake is nothing but from baking soda. Okay, and here the classifying of salts is also given. Some of the classification of salts are acidic salts, basic salts, and neutral salts. Just you have to collect all the salts after completion of that this table. Just what are the acid salts you have to write here, what are the basic salts you have to write here, neutral salts you have to write here. Okay, this is about your first lesson. Clear? After completion of that lesson, read all the lesson, read the total lesson. After completion of reading, write down the keywords, whatever the keywords are there in your textbook. Write down all the keywords and complete the question and answers. How many question and answers are there? Total you are having 18 question and answers or 21 question and answers. Make sure all the question and answers you should write in your classwork. Okay, regarding this, if you are having any doubt, just call me, I will tell you. We'll meet in next class. I hope everyone will complete your classworks. Clear? Bye.